Hey gaming friends, welcome back to this nightmare. And it is a jumping spider
To
right
this
there,
nightmare.
so I'm just gonna leave.
Did you just say welcome back to this nightmare?
Yes,
Oh.
I did.
I should play this game every day. I'm blown.
There's a jumping spider right there, and I ran out of fire.
If you ask me, it's a very old game. You play as a
You
goat.
think I can deal with it?
You have a
No
gun.
fire?
You have a gun.
Please.
I'm gonna jump right into Goatville. What the heck is Italian dinosaur?
What is that?
I'm absolutely trying that. What is
What are
this?
those?
It's nothing. It's absolutely nothing.
Oh my god!
Is this like you're a ghost goat?
A playful?
I have a
Oh my
Molotov.
gosh, what the heck am I? This isn't even a goat. I like it though. Can I still like
What
things?
the?
Yep, sure can. Hey, how you doing? I got a goat.
Isn't that the thing that lights up the whole room?
Tongue. I think I like being a goat better than
Die!
weird ghost thing. Hey, you man. What is he looking at? He's just watching that goat.
Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Where's the exit?
Okay, I'm gonna place him right on this track in front of these dancing people.
Did it die?
There we go. Oh my gosh, he's gone. That's great. I can.
You have 26
Oh yes, I
kills.
can.
Where's the exit?
I was just like stuck to the side of it. Wow, that guy.
I don't want to be here anymore.
Okay, this is Goat
Where is
Simulator, not
it?
Ghost Simulator. I'm just gonna go with the jetpack. The jetpack is a very useful tool.
You
You have a jetpack. and you fly around.
Oh, the exit's
That's what
right
I'm talking about.
here.
I don't remember how to use it. Oh yes, I do.
Well, bye.
There's a dude on that hang glider.
That was the most terrifying level I have ever
I
done.
didn't mean it. Dude, I didn't mean it.
Oh.
I'm fine. Everything's fine. Okay, so throughout
I
the
still
numerous
got
Ghost
bunny.
Simulator videos I've done, people have walked me through how to get abducted by aliens.
I was gonna try and do some of the more objectives, but those jumping spiders are just terrifying. And they better not be in the next level.
Okay, so somehow I have to.
Thanks for playing the demo.
That's a chair. That is a chair.
That was it?
I got the. Dude, I got the whole
I
tank.
should have exited the next video for my camera.
Oh no, it's coming. It's coming later.
It was definitely. So you can't successfully ride the track.
Which level did you do?
The jumping spider one.
That the last one?
Yeah, this one.
There's no hoop. I want to be LeBron James.
I guess there's more. I guess those are coming soon.
Oh yeah, what am I doing? I'm picking up the
I
stick.
guess I want to leave this video with 2 minutes. So let's just get in and kill some spiders and go and do objectives we haven't done. Like race the pass
Can I dance with him? I would love to dance.
is one.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so
I
sorry.
got them do it.
Come on, Jacksepticeye.
Nope. Okay, he's back. He's back and happy.
Oh, look, Jacksepticeye's dying.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay, there's that.
Oh,
Just having a grand old time. Wow, I just destroyed their.
Okay,
Man, people are dancing everywhere. This is a very happy town.
okay, I
so
killed
here's
3
number
spiders.
1, and as you can see, there's already a beacon. What's that?
fully gone. Did I actually go
So
do
I'm
that?
gonna take this one. And somewhere around here, there's another. Oh, it's right here. And somehow I have to place it on the stick. How do I do that?
Is there one on the phone?
According to my comment section, that's what you do. And then all of a sudden you get abducted by
No!
Maybe I should wait for the aliens.
It's a mother, it's a mother.
Hello? Aliens? Oh, whoa, what the heck? Oh, I found them! I found the aliens! So what? What do I do here? Take me! Take me to your leader!
Oh, what? It's still alive?
Do I jump? I jump. This is insane.
Oh god, take the pen, get the pen, get the pen, get the pen, get the pen.
Oh my gosh, I'm in space!
Kill
What
it.
do I do? Am I even in the
Oh my
Yes!
god.
I made it.
I do not like you.
explore space? I don't know. Oh yeah, I have
Ah.
I'm not moving at all.
Where? Where?
Can I swim? Can I fucking swim?
Oh, whoa.
Wait,
What was that?
say that I can swim. I cannot swim.
Impossible
Okay.
to control a jetpack in space. I'm literally just swimming around. It's pretty crazy. This is a real historic event. Hey, he's dancing. I think that's an astronaut dancing. He's just been trapped in space for years, but he's fine with it. Well, okay.
I flipped over the TV and I saw a spider on it trying to hang on.
I don't know. Okay, I guess
I've never laughed in
Main menu. Okay, I did it. That was something.
Okay, we've got Shadow of Pain, so...
For being space, that was a very small room. Okay, what else have I not
Okay,
tried?
there's that.
Go. What is this?
Oh.
To speak dragon, press R. Okay, I'll do it. Tell me I won't. So you know
Sure.
Dude, that will never get old.
I want the frying pan.
It's going down. Come here, I dare you. There you are. I've waited for this moment my entire life. You won't get past me, truck.
Come on, I know there's at least
Well,
one.
the guy would fly. I have no idea where he went. He just like disintegrated. That's a horrifying noise. Oh my gosh! It's like I have any idea who
Oh!
the goat born. Because they can't do cars.
How did mine,
You can do it cars.
why that, how,
A million years. He's
What
been doing
will
it
cause?
all
did you do that?
As soon as he comes around right here.
I was gonna check the lamp and he flipped over the plant.
What will
I
cause?
don't think I can do it. To nuclear cars.
What kind of spider was that? Is that Spider-Man?
Looks like you can only do it to
What will cause?
Oh yeah, I forgot you were in here.
No, can you please show for a minute?
I
What will cause?
You know, I want to see them fly into the sky and then like try to catch them. Like, what a weird sentence. Hey, it's the basketball. How you doing? Dude, if that makes it in a hoop. Oh my gosh!
There's nothing on it.
Stop running me over. Traffic is very heavy on this road. Alright, let's check out the next area. Dude, what if I could like knock over the roller coaster? That'd be so cool.
Okay, let's go back in the other room. I'm pretty sure there's more painting this shadow. I'm pretty sure there's more stories in this.
Just gonna run everyone's days.
I just broke the toilet! I just broke the toilet!
This lady does not like me.
So I just broke the toilet.
I mean, I'm just roaring at her.
Oh, that's
Hey,
fantastic.
Travis, how you doing, dude?
Hello? Hi!
I'll save you. Don't worry. I got you.
Ah!
Dude, hang on. I wonder if I... Okay, so he is a...
Kill everything!
If I push the Ghana, I'll go fly with him. You ready?
Ah!
No. The answer is no. Oh, gosh! I accidentally attached a firework. Where's the helicopter? Oh, I should have gotten the jetpack. Oh, you can. Hang on, you can. You can do this and the jetpack. I want to see if it's possible to blow up this helicopter. We're running along. I gotta find the helicopter. Maybe the
Yeah,
helicopter
break
will
everything.
cost-
Sure, why not?
cost some money. Like,
I can't believe I just broke my toilet.
I just realized the same button is used for the jetpack and the screaming goat thing. Also, the helicopter is right there, so I'm gonna find it. I found it. I'm gonna try it. Yep, perfect. When you click that jetpack button, there is no control. Absolutely zero control. Looking at me. I wonder if I can like record windows. These guys are just checking out art.
The reason why I'm trying to do more objectives in this level is because
How
of
do I
the
get in?
hold on.
I wanna look at the art.
I think it's in this room.
Not like that. Dude, what is going on? What is going on with my head? So there's no way to... Oh, yes, there is. Oh, dude, they're basically trapped in a room. They have nowhere to go.
So,
That was gonna take my back there. Yeah, it's
where?
honestly,
Yeah?
like, but I really want to touch this one.
Really?
Where did you go?
Oh, you're
The
already
helicopter's
dead.
gone. What is that dude doing?
Can I go any faster?
Oh, skateboard. Why did they make R the button?
No,
for
I
everything?
know you're
It's to
in
get
here
on the
somewhere.
skateboard,
Show
jetpack, and
yourself.
screaming goat thing. Why don't they make things? Oh, okay. I thought the skateboard would stay attached. Dude, there's no way. There is absolutely no way I'm getting that helicopter. Unless I... Oh. You know? There's a little...
What?
Oh, you would be there. You would be right there. It's easy. I swear.
yeah, because you didn't respond.
Yes. No. No. Dude, the jetpack stinks. Alright, well, there's a whale in the water. Maybe the whale will give me the height
swear to God, if Harry Alpha's memo recording, I'm gonna kill that woman.
Dude, the helicopter moved. So I'm gonna have to like fly in the air in 360. That's what this helicopter. Just gonna keep on hopping through the
Okay,
ocean.
so as I was saying,
I mean, it's a big whale. So
it wasn't that one.
what?
It's that
Dude,
one.
there's invisible force fields.
There's this. We need to do 2 more
There's
objectives,
invisible walls. I'm gonna have to redo this.
which is...
Alright, there's the boat. I'm not gonna take the boat because I don't want to accidentally
Arrange the
trip
path,
But I see
and
the whale. It's right
dou-
here. That's where the whale is.
double trouble. Kills 2 spiders with 1 shotgun blast.
Shamu?
So let's get...
Okay, the helicopter's up there. So all I gotta do
So let's equip the cheese puffs.
There we go. There. Oh, dude, this might work. This might work. Oh no!
So,
I flew over it. Okay, I don't think that's happening. I almost did it though. That was like really, really good
Ew.
accuracy. At least I'm still the dragon boy. That person's legs are physically up. All right, guys. This episode was
hello,
something.
come out.
It was something. I got abducted by aliens. The dragon boy, the goat boy. And I flew a bunch of people into space. So I'd say that's the success.
Hello.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, Minecraft. How's it going, guys? Welcome to episode 2 of the.
Oh great, Motor Squad, that's exactly what we need. Okay, get the cheese puff, get the cheese puff. Go on, go on. No. Wait, one more cheese puffs, one more cheese puffs. Come get the cheese puffs. Oh God. There is no way I'm going to be able to do this. Where did I even go? Oh, Max. I shoot my window. Can I escape? I can't escape. I killed 27 spiders. Why? Why does this game get funny all of a sudden? That was terrifying in the last episode. Complete 3 more objectives to unlock.
You lost your dog? That's horrible. Well, I'm making sticks currently. What else do I need? I need a pickaxe. That's a good thing to have. And I need an axe. How do I make this? Oh, I need more things. Boom. Axe. Axe has been made. All the essentials, dude. Dude, so many people got mad at me that I was pickaxing and trying to
Come on.
What? You played this game for like 900 hours?
David, you can't tell him. You telling me you can't throw stuff out the window? Come on.
Is upon us. Okay, I have 41 planks. Whoa, you're already making progress.
So after I deleted it
I
all, I
know.
figure out if I should just rebuild it and not tell you about it.
I'm just throwing everything.
Alright. How tall is it? Like 3 things tall?
Hi!
That was so fast. Oh! Okay, so we have this bed, and we can make it daytime.
Oh, it's eating the cheese puff! It's eating the cheese puff! That was creepy. I turned the picture around and it was just sitting on there. There's another one! And there's another one!
What am I saying? Where's my jump?
Did I erase the past?
Oh, thanks.
Oh, I need 2 more.
Okay, I have 12 stairs. Is that enough?
Yeah, but we need a lot more stairs.
Yeah, what else do I need to do?
Trees in this game? Or do they grow?
There's another achievement somewhere. There's another objective somewhere. So I'm gonna look for some pages.
You think we need 60?
That's the same number.
Wait, I need to collect 1. I need to get into here. That was one of them. Okay, so maybe some of the paintings I didn't shadow. No, that one I shadowed. was in that
Why
thing?
won't this one do it?
Are you thinking the top of the square?
Case.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, that was some
What's in
smart
here?
steer time right there. How do we continue?
Okay, so now we have that first layer. You're gonna do
Like this? Oh, I see. You have to.
Oh my god!